Hey, I'm Luther. And if you're in online marketing, you have to see this scary AI sales funnel that is blowing away anything I've ever created myself. Take a look at the results of this quick test I did. As you can see, this AI funnel generated $1,793.35 in just 5 days. It generated all of the traffic, filled my email accounts with hundreds of new leads, and only took a few hours to set up. The best part is anyone can duplicate these results using free online tools, all without coding, photoshopping, or any technical experience at all, and without having your own product to sell. This works with any affiliate product, so you earn money promoting other people's products for a commission. There's no e-commerce to figure out, no clients to sell, no services to offer, no sales copy or emails to write, and no videos to create yourself. Everything is handled by the AI bot when you use some clever text prompting that you'll see in a minute. In fact, I'm going to walk you through every step in this video, so keep watching. First, let me show you some more results we've had with this scary good AI sales funnel. Now here's another affiliate promotion that we did, this time earning $1,324.91 in just 6 days. We let the AI do all the work, then just forgot about it while commissions kept rolling in. Here's another one that blew my mind, $1,606.71 in just 3 days after setting it up. Now, these promotions are examples of what can be done from scratch with this AI funnel. Remember, this funnel also generates email leads while it is earning you commissions. So every time you use it, your email list gets bigger, allowing you to earn even more money with each promotion you do. Like this internal promotion we did that brought in over $11,000 in about a week using an AI sales funnel. This AI system has been working so well that I created an AI funnel checklist that everyone in my business now uses to create funnels. This checklist works in 3 simple steps that I call the 3 Ps. Step 1. Pick a high converting product on any affiliate network. Now, you can use these AI sales funnels to sell your own products. However, why spend months creating a new product and dealing with refunds and support when there are thousands of affiliate products paying 50% or more in commissions? You could promote a new product every week without having to deal with customers, support, refunds, or any of the hassles that go along with selling products. You can use my 20-minute affiliate product search formula to pick the best products to promote in any niche, guaranteeing you'll earn top dollar. Now, many of these offers have instant approval even for new affiliates. And I'm so confident in these AI funnels that I'm giving instant affiliate approval as well as a commission bump to anyone that uses them to promote any of my products. Now, step 2, promote the product using an AI sales funnel. These funnels could be set up in a few hours and then run themselves on autopilot. No coding or technical stuff, no writing sales copy or emails, just a combination of AI tools with the right prompts. These funnels could be set up in a few hours, then run themselves on autopilot. No coding or technical stuff, no writing sales copy or emails, just a combination of AI tools with the right prompts that generates traffic, leads, and commissions better than even professionally designed sales funnels. And step 3, profit. Really, that's it. Used correctly with the right affiliate product, these AI funnels outperform 90% of affiliate marketers, generating commissions quickly and without effort. The results speak for themselves. Simply pick, promote, and profit. Now, perhaps the best part is that these funnels handle traffic and generate leads while earning you commissions. That means every time you use one of these funnels, your email list gets bigger and bigger, allowing you to earn even more money with each promotion. Listen, those who know me know that I've been earning over $100,000 a month with email marketing. This is because I have a huge list of proven buyers that I can email over and over again. This AI sales funnel is by far the fastest and easiest way to build your own profitable email list and earn money while you do it. Look, bottom line is this. AI sales funnels are already producing better results than 90% of online marketing professionals. The people who learn these tools now are the ones that will secure all of the benefits, while everyone else is left in the dust. The AI funnel checklist I created for my team has revolutionized the way I market online, and now I want to get it into the hands of as many of my affiliates and longtime customers as I can. I polished the checklist to create a user-friendly system that I call the AI Sales System. The AI Sales System is an AI-powered sales funnel that generates traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot without coding, writing sales copy, or even having a website. I'm flat out giving you the exact step-by-step cheat sheet I use in my business to build profitable AI sales funnels from scratch. No technical stuff to deal with, no writing sales messages yourself, and no clients or services to provide. Just a profitable funnel that works with any affiliate product. Now, the AI sales system may look simple, and it is. However, this system is a result of months of experimentation, trying to find the right formula of affiliate products, AI tools, and text prompts to produce the results you've seen. The AI sales system shortcuts your learning curve and allows you to take advantage of my hard work and just follow it to get results fast. Now, I have to warn you, the AI sales system is not for everyone. Sure, this AI funnel will generate leads and commissions on autopilot. However, this is not some BS magic push a button and money appears scam that you see a lot of gurus promoting. You will have to spend a few hours following some simple instructions to get your AI funnel set up. And so, if you're looking for some magic button that you know isn't real and will never actually work for you, or if you're not willing to spend a few hours to set this up to earn thousands of dollars in commissions, then this is certainly not for you, and you should just probably leave this page now. However, if you're the type of person that can see where this AI trend is headed, and if you are willing to do the work to build one of these AI funnels, then this is not just another opportunity for you. This is the only opportunity for you. And let's be honest, if after a day's work you saw results like this every week, wouldn't it be worth it? And listen, you're never left on your own when you join a Landro program. You see, you're not only getting the same step-by-step guide that my team is using to build AI funnels. I also recorded over-the-shoulder coaching that takes you by the hand and walks you through every step to create your first AI sales funnel. Just follow along click by click to end up with a profit-pulling funnel of your own. And if you find yourself stuck, my support is open 24/7 where you can get an answer within 48 hours. Now, when you reach out to my Platinum support, you're reaching me directly, not some underpaid assistant. Any questions or concerns you have, I'm right there to help you. Now, maybe because it's the old Italian in me, but when you become one of my customers, you become family. Now, I'm sure you'd agree the AI sales system is the future of online marketing. And like I said before, I am planning to create a huge masterclass in AI sales funnels, then selling that class over webinar for $1,000 to $2,000. And considering these AI sales funnels are banking thousands of dollars from scratch, then scaling to more than $10,000 a week, I'm sure you'd agree $1,000 is a small price to pay to have these AI funnels working for you. Right now, however, I want to get these funnels out there to my affiliates, my previous loyal customers, and to anyone that is savvy enough to get in on the AI trend early. Plus, this gives me the opportunity to get more feedback and testimonials from regular folks who are going out there and earning small fortunes with their own AI sales funnels. So if you are on this page now, consider yourself lucky. You're getting in on the AI sales system at a fraction of what everyone else has to pay, with free updates for life as I add to this program. Act right now, promise to send me a testimonial when your first funnel is earning you money, and you can have the whole thing for one easy payment of only $17. That's more than 90% off the webinar price. Listen, don't decide right now. Take advantage of my unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. Just try the AI sales system on me for a full 60 days. If you don't find this to be the easiest sales funnel you've ever used, and if you don't generate the commissions that you desire, or even if you don't like the color choices in my cheat sheet, any reason at all, just send me a support ticket with the word refund and I'll send you back every penny. No questions asked, no hassles. Look, I'm sure you've seen the explosion of AI over the past year, and I don't see these AI robots taking our jobs anytime soon. However, you can bet that the people who master these tools will. Now, you could go out and try to figure this out on your own. Waste thousands of dollars on software and countless hours experimenting to find what works. Or you can shortcut your learning curve and follow a proven plan that works. A plan that, as you've seen, is already generating thousands of dollars in sales and commissions. Now, the choice is yours, and it's clear. Make the only smart move you can and secure your AI sales system now. Remember, this discount is only available for a limited time, so look below this video right now. Click the buy button below and claim your copy of the AI sales system now before the promotional price ends.